What's your name?
Chris.
Michael. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your date of birth?
5/10/72.
Alright, I'll be giving you your shot today.
Okay.
After identifying the patient, making sure they are who they say they are, I wash my hands to make sure I am rid of any microbes such as bacteria. And of course, since I am coming into contact with the patient, I am wearing gloves, not too big, not too small, but just fit. This ensures the patient remains disinfected and ensures my own safety.
What shoulder would you like to
Now I ask the patient which arm he or she prefers because it really is personal preference. Most often the injection site will become sore a few hours after the injection, so he or she most often chooses their non-dominant hand. Now I'm making sure that I go into the deltoid in a spot that isn't too taut, so I go about 2 inches down from the shoulder. We clean the medication vial with alcohol wipes because this is open to the environment, and so we want to make sure it is clean. Now you'll see me flick on the syringe because a lot of times there are air bubbles that come into the syringe, so we want to make sure that those are at the top so I can get rid of them.
Alright, you ready, sir?
Yep.
1, 2.
You saw me flatten out the skin. That is because I am doing an intramuscular injection, and so I want to go all the way through the skin and through the subcu tissue into the muscle. Now I drew back on the syringe to make sure I'm not into a blood vessel. And applying pressure to the patient injection site to make sure there isn't any further bleeding. We discard of the needle into the sharps container. And most often I massage the injection site to make sure that the medication is absorbed. And again, personal preference, but most often I do bandage the injection site.